This is the DOOGEE V Max Play, a true beast among rugged phones. DOOGEE has brought a device that combines durability, performance, and some unique features, like a built-in projector and a massive 20,500 mAh battery. All of this running on Android 15 with the Dimensity 7300 processor. But does it really live up to the hype and stand out in such a competitive market? Let's dive into the specs to see where the V Max Play shines and if it's worth the investment. As always, the promotional purchase link is down in the description and also pinned in the first comment. As expected from a smartphone in this category, the DOOGEE V Max Play is anything but subtle. It comes with a robust design built from aluminum alloy with reinforced edges, anti-slip grip, and fully sealed ports. In terms of toughness, it carries IP68 and IP69K certifications, along with the 810G military standard, ensuring resistance to dust, drops of up to 1.2 meters, and water immersion. This is a phone designed for extreme environments, whether it's heavy-duty work or outdoor adventures. The DOOGEE V Max Play stands out with its exclusive features. It comes with a built-in 480p HD projector with autofocus and a cooling system called Icy Wing. This lets you project videos, movies, or even presentations anywhere, with smart modes like auto brightness adjustment and angle correction. On top of that, the phone includes dual camping flashlights with 1,200 lumens, making a big difference in nighttime use. To complete the outdoor package, there's a 130 decibel loudspeaker that can serve both for music in open areas and as an emergency sound signal. You also get RGB notification lights and even an infrared remote control function. DOOGEE actually released two models, the V Max Play, which comes with the projector, and the DOOGEE V Max LR, which swaps the projector for a 40-meter laser rangefinder. That's the only significant difference between the two versions. The V Max Play features a 6.78-inch FHD plus IPS panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The screen includes a water drop notch for the front camera. Smoothness is guaranteed, and the large size is excellent for media consumption, especially if you pair it with the projector. At the core, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7305G, a modern and efficient 4nm octa-core processor that reaches speeds up to 2.5 GHz. Paired with the Mali G615 GPU, it delivers sharper graphics and smoother gaming performance. The result is a great balance of power, efficiency, and capability for both everyday tasks and demanding games. As for memory, the V Max Play is well equipped. 16 GB of RAM, expandable up to 36 GB with virtual RAM, plus 512 GB of internal storage, which can be further expanded with a microSD card up to 2 TB. That's a powerhouse setup with plenty of space and speed. One big plus here, the V Max Play ships with Android 15 out of the box. That means immediate access to the latest system features and OTA update support, something not always guaranteed in the rugged phone market. The camera system is another highlight. On the back, you get a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 20-megapixel night vision camera, and an 8-megapixel macro lens. The phone also supports 4K video recording, which greatly expands possibilities for fieldwork or content creation. On the front, the 32-megapixel selfie camera promises detailed shots and solid quality for video calls. Overall, it's a pretty complete setup for a rugged phone, going well beyond the basics we often see in competitors. Now, here's one of the main pillars, the 20,500 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. That's enough to last for days without needing a charge, perfect for long trips or extended fieldwork. Fast charging is rated at 45 watts, which is fair for a battery of this size. You also get 10-watt reverse charging, turning the phone into a portable power bank for your other devices. The DOOGEE V Max Play is ready for 5G networks, and it covers the basics we expect: Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC for contactless payments. The navigation suite is complete as well, including GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo. It also features a USB-C port with OTG support and a triple-slot tray for 2 SIM cards plus a microSD, giving you maximum flexibility. The DOOGEE V Max Play is already available for pre-order on the brand's official store, priced at $670 USD for the version with the projector. Shipping is expected to begin around October 10th. It's a high investment, but it makes sense given the exclusive package, especially the massive battery and the built-in projector. For anyone watching out for discounts, I've left the link in the description and pinned comment. So, what's the verdict on the DOOGEE V Max Play? It's not just another rugged phone, it's practically a technological Swiss Army knife for work and adventure. Its biggest highlights are the built-in projector, the 20,500 mAh battery, the 1200 lumen flashlights, and the 130 decibel loudspeaker. Of course, its size and weight must be considered, and the price might be a deal breaker for some. But if you're looking for an extreme phone with features that go far beyond the ordinary, the V Max Play offers one of the most complete packages in the category. So what do you think about the DOOGEE V Max Play? Do the built-in projector and huge battery make sense to you? Drop your opinions in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss any rugged phone or smartphone reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.